Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. If you are new, if you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. It is day 24, Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. I had dye on my face. I had to wipe it off. Now my face is all red. Anyway, okay. If you guys could leave a like and a comment, even if it's just an emoji, it will really help the channel. Okay, so it's that neon green, which I really like, and then a royal purple, some bits of red and pink, and then this one is like pumpkin, sienna, light blue, sage, olive, cream, peach, kind of a bit of everything in that one. Very fall. Cool, so that's those two. So on to Big Advent. Okay, so he said that I had to start the video first because this is a hand-me gift. Happy Christmas Eve, by the way.
So, here's the Christmas Eve. This is like the...
Can't see.
The pretty good, but not the best. This is like...
I'm sure it's fine.
Just this trickle in.
I'm sure it's fine. It's in a Michigan Fine Yarns bag, so I'm sure it's wonderful.
It's alright. Two blanket kits.
Gosh, it's It's rainbow!
Yes.
It's rainbow! I don't know how long you guys were knocked over.
Want to start it all over?
Ow. All up close and personal. I think it's probably fine. You guys just fell on a yarn stash, so.
Alright.
Okay, so this is hay-filled, soft twist, double knitting. What are you? 325 meters, 354 yards, 90 acrylic, 10 merino wool, 100 grams. This is color olive, but let me show you what we're doing here. Did I put this in the right spot? Okay. So, oh my gosh. Go like that. Okay. Are they identical kits?
No. Why would I do that?
So, it's rainbow. It's got...
These colors are extremely different. These are not pink, these are red.
I don't know why it has two of the same red and two white. That's weird. Anyway, there's two red, a sienna, an olive, a green, a blue, or a purple. Wait, are those the same? Yeah, why does it have two purple and no blue? The heck kind of rainbow is that?
I don't think it's a rainbow kit.
And then a dark
This
purple.
isn't a rainbow kit. It's a colorful kit.
And then cream.
Yep.
I saw rainbow. So there's that. It looked like a rainbow at first.
Okay, and then kit 2, which is a different kit. They don't go together. They are different kits. Is a more neutral one. And these are both blanket kits.
Interesting.
I like neutrals. You don't. I really, really like this one. It's got a purple that's very, very similar to the purple that you really like.
Is that not a pattern? How do I know what blank to make?
I will probably message her and see if there was a pattern that I was supposed to grab. But this is a blanket kit. This is a kit.
Cool. Very cool. Why are you breaking? Don't break.
Check my email and see if maybe.
There we go. And I can always look up on Ravelry because I'm sure that is leafy. Or is there a blue in here? No, dang it. I was gonna say I could take a blue out of here and have a rainbow. There's no blue. Cool. cool. That's neat. 2 blanket kits and a bag. So I guess they have new bags now. I always have the reusable paper bags. I've never seen these. So, Advent, that's cool. I will see you guys tomorrow for a live stream for Christmas, by the way. There are probably lots of little snorts. Gizmo's right by me. So Andrew got the pattern for what these 2 kits belong to. And so I am showing you on the screen right now. This is from Michigan Fine Yarns. So the really colorful set is what this one looks like. There's a video, but I don't think that I can play. I'm not allowed to play the video. And that one's called Winterberries. And then the one that was the muted neutral tones is this one. I actually think I like the muted one better, believe it or not. I think I would replace that peach with maybe one of the colors from the other one. I will make this just with one kit, and I'll probably do something different with the other kit. But yeah, I've really been gravitating towards neutrals and earthy tones a lot lately. I don't know. I'm starting to explore and become more open to things. Andrew's really good about broadening my horizons with stuff because I'm a stick in the mud, and he really does help me to try new things when I otherwise wouldn't. So I think that's probably where it's coming from, because I never used to really like earthy tones and stuff like that, but I'm really, really enjoying them. I've been buying stuff in those colors versus the bright stuff that I usually do. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you guys. It basically looks like, so you got a row of popcorn stitches, you've got the star stitch. I'm not sure how right here, this looks like a eyelash or feather yarn, which definitely was not in that kit, I don't believe. But somehow that's in the pattern. So I don't know. I'll definitely have to look at that and see what that's all about. But I like it though. I love novelty yarn. I love all the different textures and details. So I am here for a stitch sampler style thing. This is very much my style of blanket. I don't like just one stitch all the way through. That's really boring. And as a blind woman, I really, really enjoy different textures. So all the bobbles and, you know, if that is like a fur yarn or something like that, that's cool to me. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what was there, or what those belong to. So Andrew and I was talking about these little loops that I was showing you guys, and it's in the other one too. And I think he's right. He said that it may just be the yarn, like loops were pulled out. I don't know if that's a thing. I don't see why that wouldn't be a thing. I bet you that's what it is, because both of those are colors in both of those packs. So I wonder if they just had you like pull loops out or something. I don't know. It's very interesting. I can't wait to dig into it. Oh, here it is in a different color too. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to show you guys what those kits, what they were meant for. And if you're interested in them, they are at Michigan Fine Yarns. They're $65 for one kit. And it is a crochet along, though I won't be doing it with everybody else. But yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm just going to head off here now. But I wanted to tell you guys, remind you guys that tomorrow is Christmas, and we are going to be going live. I don't know what time, I don't know for how long, but probably somewhere around 1 o'clock or something like that in the afternoon. And I don't know what all we'll be doing. I do know I have a huge box of Christmas presents Andrew just keeps adding to that I'm opening up. And then we bought a mystery box from Amazon. So we're going to open that up. I'll have some giveaways probably. I'm going to make my holiday dip. And I don't know. We'll probably sit and craft together. Just chit chat. Impromptu question and answer thing. I don't know. I have no idea what we'll do. Maybe we'll play a board game. You guys can sit with us while we play a game. I really have no idea. It's just whatever we would naturally be doing. And you guys can just sit and hang with us. That way you have somewhere to go. If you don't have, anything to do tomorrow, come hang out with us. So I hope to see, some of you there. And to those that, will be with friends and family, happy Christmas, happy holidays. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.